This is new valve. This is new pin. It's just when you buy this one, you have to check the first if it is match each pin to each valve. First, what you will do? We put it valve hole. Use the original spring. This valve is standard, but this plate is changed according to the injector model. This is different holes and different diameter holes inside. Then you have to use their own this orifice plate. This is the gauge. Assembly to gauge, put it to nozzle with the spring, everything on it. You have to push down, not turn the nozzles. And still push when tighten. A little switch back or tighten back again. Tighten on. You have to get digital gauge to 0. That's the micron we will check. This is, you see, only comes 5 micron. We have to make it 35 or 32 between 38. Remove it. Put the pin, just put it in lapping past 3/8 micron, put it inside. Put it lapping machine. Tut adam, bakma. Let's wait 1 minute to lapping the pin seat surface to the body. We sell with exactly adjusted complete valve. Or we sell only pin. Pin is cheaper, complete is expensive because we spent the time to make the match each other. That's all. And remove it. Take the valve. Clean it. Here is not the service, just the shop. Then we have to use the VCI oil, protecting oil. And also clean the pin. Put it again. you must be again high, because it just when you make it tighten up and tighten down. Again, you got 0 to push. It's C or 8 micron. Remove again. Just we show you. We make 2-3 times to check the diameter for you, just to see. Then you get like 2000 sandpaper. So you get the special tool to put it on the center. Put on paper to grind at the back side of the pin. And your hand get the hole. Turn back to make center slowly, not be too much push, because this is very thin. It can be pin surface plain, and then we will check again. Nobody can teach you as we teach. Spring. Use the original spring, because if you use the reference What happened? 93. Why? Because we take too much on the pin. But it is better to see why, what you will do if comes more. put it corner. Get it out the pin. Put the one like this. Now we have to take out line that should be 35, 90, 65 micron from the back side. It is better to use kerosene, but we don't have the kerosene. We use oil some. Let's see. Should be again 0. What happened? You can get just 10 micron. Remove it again. Go for your catchment. To get it a little thick. There is another way, use another pin. But we don't use another pin, just to show you how it's made. Use the thick. becomes 42. We will take 7 micron more. Yes, 36, 37. That means $35, $36. That means it's okay. Now you can use it. You should get to this dimension. If you make the all 4 cylinders same level, like 36, 36, 36, or 30, 35, 37 range to 3 micron, not be shake on the engine. But if should be one is 30, another is 40, it should be shake, make the shake on the car. That's what we do. We make it now. This is, we adjust it. It is ready. Put it adjusted. Nylon back. This is exactly made it and put it sell like this. We sell also separate the valve body like this, valve body separately, pin separately. You can buy the pin, you make yourself. You can buy body and pin, you make by yourself. You can ask us the price. tunalar@tunalar.com, Istanbul, Turkey. I hope you get some information you can make easily. You help your people, no need to buy the complete original one. You help your country, you save money,